Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone doing well. So let's get started our today's class. Okay, student, do you have my screen? Okay. First of all, Ramadan Mubarak to all. And yeah, as I already told you that today we will start Adobe Illustrator class. So let's get started. I hope everyone have installed Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If you do not install Adobe Illustrator in your computer, you can check my video guideline. Okay, so this is class 8 and let's open. Okay, this is okay, this is Adobe Illustrator overview. First of all, let me show you why we should use Adobe Illustrator for our printing purpose. Because as you can see here, Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics. There are two types of graphics available, especially vector and raster graphics. Raster graphics means JPG image, or whenever we use any design in our website or of Instagram or Facebook, this is called raster graphics. Okay, if you zoom your image or anything like in raster graphics, you will see pixelated issue. As you can see here, there are two images. The left one is raster graphics. Whenever you zoom your image, you will see this issue, and the right one is vector graphics. If you zoom this graphics, you won't see any pixelated issue. Let me show you. So let me create a new one. New, then create. If I take a rectangle, okay, let's change this color to black, to red. As you can see, if I zoom my if I zoom my canvas, I won't see any pixelated issue. But whenever I open an image, let me open an image. Let's say this image. If I zoom this image, you will see the issue, pixelated issue. As you can see, I'm talking about this issue. As you can see, this is a pixelated issue. So whenever I print this this image for my company or for my personal purpose, you will see this type of issue. But if I print this one, you won't see any pixelated issue. In that case, if you want to print anything else, first of all you need to design on Adobe Illustrator instead of Adobe Photoshop. Let's say I want to print a employee card, I want to print a calendar design. So in that case, I need to work on Adobe Illustrator. So the thing is, whenever you want to design anything for posting purpose, let's say I want to post a poster on my Adobe on my Instagram or Facebook. In that case, I need to use Adobe Photoshop. But whenever I need to print anything else, in that case I need to work on Adobe Illustrator. Do you understand, guys, the purpose? If you have any printing purpose, you need to work on. Okay, Kulsum, can you left the meeting, then join again? I think this is your network issue. Okay, whenever you want to print anything else, you need to work on Adobe Illustrator. This is the main purpose. Okay, so let's close all of them. As I already told you, if you have idea or if you have better idea on Adobe Photoshop, so Adobe Illustrator would be easy for you. As you can see here, the overview. Let me open Adobe Photoshop as well, so you can see. Okay, guys, do you have my screen? Okay. Arizo, please left the meeting, then join again. Maybe this is your internet issue. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, this is your Photoshop overview and this is uh, Adobe Illustrator overview. Both are almost same. As you can see, the overview, both are almost same. As for this reason, I only told you, if you have better experience with Adobe Photoshop, you can easily understand Adobe Illustrator. You don't need to waste more time on Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, this is everything is same almost. Okay. So yeah, create new means if you want to create new, you can click create new. If you already have your project, you just need to click open. So let's say I don't have anything else, so click here. Then you can change, as you can see, same as Adobe Photoshop. You can take your artboard on your own, or you can take from preset. As you can see, there are lots of preset. So let's say I want to take 180 by 180, 180 by 180 pixel, 180 by 180 pixel, then click create. As you can see, it's created, but the different is tool. Let me open there. I'm now in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, overview almost same, but the difference is Adobe Photoshop tools and Adobe Illustrator tools. As this one, there are some difference because this is raster graphics and this is vector graphics. Okay, so yeah, so the top bar is same as it is, same, almost same, and window same. If you want to create your own environment or workspace, you can just go here, then appear graphics style, it will be appear same as Photoshop. Then Pathfinder, which is most important for design purpose, we'll see the uses of Pathfinder. And there are lots of transforms, there are lots of tools you can appear and disappear, same as Adobe Photoshop. Okay, as you can see, image track, this is another awesome tools. Yeah, I have already started the record. Thank you, Arizo. Thank you. Okay, then there are lots of colors, lots of tools you can appear, same as Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so let's close one by one. We'll see the uses whenever we need. Okay, the most important is layer. Let's see, is it appear or not? I think it's there. Yeah, layer panel. You will also see the layer toolbar on Adobe Photoshop as well. Okay, the first tool is move tools, selection tools. So let me show you some common tools, same as Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. This is selection tools, or you may call move tools. You can move anything, any element, same as Photoshop. And another one is, the common is rectangle tool, same as Photoshop. Another one is type tool or text tool. This is same as Photoshop. Another one is, and most important, is pen tool. If you have better idea about pen tool, you can easily draw any type of design. Okay, any critical design easily if you have idea about it. This is also common. And foreground colors, background color, we also have this color on Adobe Photoshop as well. This is the common one. And the artboard tool, this is also common. We already have idea on Adobe Photoshop. Eyedropper tool, that we can collect the color sample. Okay, and that's it. And another one is eraser tool. We also had eraser tool on Adobe Photoshop. Now Adobe Illustrator, we also have eraser tool. On this tool, we can just erase our rectangle. That's it. Okay, so that's it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. We have already idea about these 8 tools. Okay, because we have better understand with Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Okay, let me show you first tool. This is selection tools. Let's take a rectangle, same as Adobe Photoshop. And another interesting thing is in Adobe Illustrator, you can work outside of your artboard. Outside means, let me take a let's say this is my artboard, right? This is my artboard. So if I take a rectangle like this, fill color, let's take this fill color, and same as Adobe Photoshop, fill color and stroke color. Let's take a stroke color, let's increase the stroke color. Okay, so let's say I want to work outside of artboard, so you can easily just move like this. But in Adobe Photoshop you won't do this, you can't do this. Let's say this is Adobe Photoshop. Okay, just focus on this top left part, so you will see the logo. This is Adobe Photoshop. Let's say I want to take a same as a rectangle, but if I move this one, okay, this is updated version, that's why you can also work on outside of artboard. But if you have 2090, you can't work outside of our artboard. I think this is latest version, that's why you can work outside of artboard. This is the things. So in Adobe Illustrator you can work outside of artboard like this. Let me open my project so you can see how it's important. So as you can see, this is a explainer for my client. I have worked lots of things outside of my artboard, as you can see. So this is the important one. Okay, let's say I do lots of practice outside of artboard, then finally I design these things, this explainer. So this is the important one. Okay, you can work outside of artboard whenever you need it, whenever you want to create a new design, or whenever you have new idea, you can just do outside of artboard. Whenever you finalize the design, you just need to move here. This is the benefits to work outside of artboard. Okay, so let me take another one. Let's take another one. Let's change this color to this. Let's change cancel. Let's go to move tools. Let's change this color into this color. Same as Photoshop, you just need to go to this tool, move tools, selection tools, then select the things, then change this color. Okay, then if you press Alt R, so you can make a duplicate layer. Same as if you press Alt, you can make duplicate layer like this. Okay, so as I told you, the first tool is selection tools, so you can select like this, then you can move your tools, your materials, or your graphics like this rectangle. Let's say I want to select only these two. Yeah, I can do this like this. Okay, and the second one is direct selection tools. So as you can see, whenever I select whenever you click direct selection tools, you will see the corner. Let's say I want to carve only this corner. Okay, only this corner. You just need to click here and only click like this, so you can easily carve. In this way you can make your own design like this. First of all, you need to click here. Okay, you will see the 4 point. As you can see, you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 corner. If you want to only just carve this layer, just you need to click here. Whenever it's in blue, as you can see, this is now in totally blue color, that means it is now selected. Okay, then you can just move it here like this. If you want to do all of them like in one time, you just need to click here, then it will make like this. Let's say I want to just I want to carve only this corner, just click here. Now it's now in blue color, this point, that means it will be carved only this, it will be affected only this area. So in that case you can design lots of, as you can see, you can design your own way. So as you can see, So let's say I want to expand this one in the right side. How you can do this? Just go here, go to here, then you can expand this. So I'm pressing, okay. Okay, I want to expand more. So I'm pressing Alt to make another duplicate. I want to just carve only this one. So yeah, this is one kind of car design. So for the top part, let's do this. Let's make it to none. Okay, let's expand it more. Okay, let's, I'm just pressing Alt to make a duplicate. Okay, okay, we can take a line. This is also common. I'm just pressing Alt. As you can see, I can easily draw a car. In this way you can draw a car. Then if you need like headlight, you can easily do this like this. Let me rotate it. You can rotate easily. Then let me decrease the stroke. So press Alt to make a duplicate. Like this, like this. So as you can see, this is car. So you may also use you may also draw some design to make a window for this car as well. You can also draw a road. Let's take a rectangle. Let's make it to black color, stroke color to white color. Okay, let's say I want to send this like in the backward. Just right click on it, right, then arrange, send to back. As you can see, so in this way, let's say I want to take another rectangle, road line, yeah, like this. Then shift and alter to make it, then shift and alter to make another duplicate. As you can see, so I just use only rectangle to make this type of graphics. And if I zoom this one, you won't see any pixelated issue because this is a vector graphics. Okay, this is the thing. So you can only I just only use a rectangle to make this type of design, this type of sceneries. Okay, so yeah, the next things is group selection tools. You will see whenever we are using pen tools, you will see the group selection tools. This is another interesting tools. Okay, so the next thing is magic wand tool. In Photoshop we already had this one. As you can see, I think Adobe Photoshop, this one. What was this work? Whenever we want to select the same color area, we use this one. As you can see, if I click this color, it will select it only this color area. So if I want to select on the white color, it will set on the white color area. If I click on black color, it will select it on the black color area. Same as Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, let's say I have, let me draw lots of I just press Alt to make a duplicate. Okay, Alt, 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 and Alt. Let's change this color to this color, let's change this color to this color. Let's change this color to black, this color to, I just select this one, I just go here and click black. And another shortcut from is just select this one, then click I. So it will select your eyedropper, then click here, it will be selected. Then if you want to go back here, just click B. Okay, it will change, it will change your tool into selection tools. So let's say I want to change this color to another color, I, to select the color. I want to back to move tools, just press B. Okay, then I can back. This is a shortcut. If you do not understand, leave it for now. As a beginner, just click here, then go to here, then change this color. Okay, so as I already told you, magic wand tool is just select the same color design. Okay, so you have to go this one. This is the shortcut is Y. If you press Y, you can easily move into this one. Then if I click here, as you can see, it will only select this the color. As you can see, if I go here, as you can see, this is only selected this 3 color. If I select this black color, it will select it only black color area. As you can see, now it's selected black color. So magic wand tool works something like this. Let's say if I want to select only this color, let's go to here, click here, it will select it only this color area. So you can easily select this like this. Okay, so this is the things. So magic wand tool works like if you want to select same color area, if you want to select same color rectangle, if you want to select same color design, you just need to go magic wand tool, then it will automatically select same color area. Okay, the next one is lasso tool. Okay, this is another, let's say, interesting tool for the selection purpose. Let's say I have this type of things, so yeah. Okay, let's say I have this, so I want to select on this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, only this 1 2 3 4 rectangle. So in that case, you can use lasso tool. You just need to draw like this, like this, like this. It will be selected, as you can see, only this. Let me do it again. You just need to just select this, select, select, select. Then it will be selected only these rectangles. Okay, this is the lasso tools, as you can see. Then yeah, then you can expand this, you can change this like this. Okay, you can expand this, you can move like this. So in lasso tools, you can select individually. This is the things. Let's say I want to select only this 2 and this. Just go to here, this. As you can see, only this 3. Only this 3 rectangles selected. 1, 2, and 3. In lasso tool, you can select individually. This is the things. Do you understand, guys? Lasso tools. Hello. Yeah. Thank you for your response, Fauzia and Nahida. Thanks a lot. Okay, the next tool is most common tools, pen tools, which is most important, as I already told you in our Adobe Photoshop class. In the design sector, whenever you do anything, any new design, you need these pen tools. Okay, in design sector, in Figma, in Adobe Photoshop, in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe XD, you will see the pen tool, because this is the most important tool. It helps you to do any kind of difficult design on your own way. That's why pen tool is important. Okay, so yeah, let's delete all of them. Maybe we can just make a, okay, maybe we can select all of them at a time, then we can Then let me show you another thing. Let's say I want to make all of them in one group. Just right click on it, then click group. So whenever if I next time just move this one, it will be move at a time. Then if you want to make ungroup, just right click on it, then click ungroup. So let's say I want to make only this true in a group, just right click on it. First of all, you need to select the rectangle, then right click, then group. It will be grouped. As you can see, if I move anywhere else, you can do this, then right click on it, then group. Yeah. So yeah, let me make this to there. Okay. What is next? Okay. Another important is pen tool. Pen tool, most important tool. Okay. So as I already told you, in pen tool, you always have this important thing, handle and the pointer. This is the pointer. Okay, this is the pointer and this is handle. By the help of handle, you can modify your design. Okay, and this is the main point, path point. Okay, so in each and every path point, you might have this handle. This handle helps you to modify your design. Okay, so as you can see, if I press Alter, I can delete only this handle, then again this, then if I click Alter, I can delete this, as you can see, and this way. If I want to take a fill color, just click here. Just as you can see, fill color is none. Just right click on it and double click on it. You can see if you want to change the stroke color, just double click on it, then you can choose your own stroke color like this. If you want to change the fill color, just right click, double click on it, then change. Okay, as you can see, let's say I want to you can add anchor point. Okay, as you can see, let's say I want to add an anchor point here. Just click, you just need to go here, add anchor point. You can add anchor point. As you can see here, whenever you add anchor point, you will see, let's do it again. Just say I want to add anchor point here. So you will see whenever you add anchor point, two handle will be automatically added. This is your left hand. This is your right handle. So by the help of handle, you can just modify your your design, as I already told you, like this. So if you want to modify your design or anything else, you need to go your direct selection tools. Okay, let's say I want to modify this one. Okay, if I click here, I will see my handle. As you can see, I am now in direct selection tools. By the help of direct selection tools, you can modify your design. If I click here, as you can see, I can modify, I can change the position of my anchor point by the help of direct selection tool. Okay, whenever you work, make sure that you are now in direct selection tools. If you are in selection tools, you can't do this, as you can see. So make sure that you are now in direct selection tools. So you can just modify your design like this. You may also modify your design like this. Okay, the next one is delete anchor point. If you want to delete anchor point, just click here, it will be deleted. Click, delete it. You just need to select the anchor point, which point you want to select. As you can see, you can easily delete. So if you want to add anchor point, just click here, click, it will be added. Okay, so whenever you click anchor point, let's say I am now in I am now in the selection tools, only selection tools. You may also call move tools, this one. So I can't see my path. As you can see, I can't see my path. So if you want to see your path, just click here, then click here. You will see your path. Okay. anchor point tool. That means you will see your path. If you're now in only selection tools, you can't see your path. So if you want to see your path, just go to these tools, then you will see your path. As you can see, your path, your path pointer, your handle, all of them. So in that case, you can use this one, anchor point tool. Okay, let's try to make a tree by the help of anchor point tool. Sorry, by the help of pen tool. So yeah, like this. So I want to make them none. Okay, if I press skip, it will be done. Let's take another one. If I press skip, it will be done. Press skip, it will be close. Okay, don't worry about the top part. We will use another tool to complete the top part. The next tool is curvature tool, which is this curvature tool helps you to create curvature types of design. If I click here, the first tool and the second, as you can see, it will make the curve. First, then select curve, curve. As you can see, you can create like this. Let me show you again. Let's say I want to design a curve. So just click here, then click. Then so yeah, let's take a fill color. It should be green. Okay, then I just press shift and alt to decrease the size. Let's increase this one little bit. Let's increase this one little bit as well. The last, as you can see, this one would be a tree. We can also make another design. I just select all of them, then right click on it, then click group, make it group like this. I just press Alt to make a duplicate. Okay, as you can see here, like this, like this. Okay, maybe I can make more tree like this. So as you can see, this is now in the front. So I can just easily click this and I just select this and arrange, bring to front. Okay, arrange, bring to front. As you can see, this is almost done. So by the help of curvature tool, you can just create curvature types of design. As you can see here, let's say I only want this one, just click. As you can see, this is one kind of moon can design like this. This is the things curvature tool. You can easily draw any kind of design by the help of curvature tool. And the next tool is common tool, which is type tool. So first of all, let's take a rectangle Okay, it should be like this. uh okay, I made a I take a rectangle. Mhm. Let's make a stroke color to none, fill color to this. Okay, so yeah, then you can lock this layer. Let's right click on it. If you want to lock this rectangle, just click Ctrl and 2. It will be locked. As you can see, now it's locked. If you want to unlock this one, Ctrl Alt 2. Now it's unlocked. As you can see, if you want to lock this one, you can just press Ctrl 2. Okay, let's select all of them at a time, then right click on it, then click group. Okay, then if I want, let's make a duplicate. I just press Alter to make a duplicate, then drag and drop here, right click on it, bring to front, then decrease the size. Let me increase a little bit more. Okay, if you want to make alignment like uh, center, just click on it. As you can see, you just need to click here on the top part. You will see the alignment things. As you can see, it's now in center. And ungroup this one because I want to make this curve. As you can see, as you can see, like this. Then again, right click on it, then group. Okay, so let's make a little bit layer. Okay, so let's say if you want to type something else, you just need to go here, click, then right click on it, then welcome to Afghanistan Open University, like this. Then you can just increase the size like this. So if you want to change your font color, you will see, just go to here, then appear your character panel. Maybe I have already appeared the character panel. You have to go type, then you will see the character. Okay, you just need to appear this. Okay, then you can change your font. You can, same as Adobe Photoshop, you can change your font, you can increase the font size, you can change font family. Okay, uh, let's say like this, medium. Okay, then you can make, just click on it, then double click all of them, select all of them, just make alignment to middle. Okay, then increase the size. Then Montserrat, then semi bold. Okay, then you can also change the color, just right click on it, then you can change color like this, like this. Okay, so we already know about these things because we have better understanding in Adobe Photoshop. So you can use type tool, then aerial type tool is another one. Aerial type tools means you can select individually. As you can see, I can select only this tools, only this word, and I can change this one. So by the help of aerial type tool, you can select only one character, then you can change. Type on a path tool. So sometime you will see some design, some time, let's say, let me take a ellipse. What is this? Right click on it, then ellipse, then right. As you can see, this is ellipse. Okay, let's say I want to type text on this path, like this, in this way. So in that case, you can type on a path tool, this one, just right click on it, as you can see. Then you can type, maybe you can type Afghanistan Open University, Afghanistan Open University, Dhaka, Bangladesh, main head office. So maybe you will see, you can type like this, in this way. So let's say I take another rounded rectangle, then I want to type on my path, just right click on it, as you can see. This is Arif Remal from Bangladesh, as you can see. By the help of area path tool, you can just easily type your text on a path. You just need to take your path. Maximum time you will see this type of, this type of text design. Maximum time you will see. So you can easily do this by the help of path tool. Type on a path tool. Then vertical, if you want to type vertical, like this is Afghanistan cricket team. So you can easily like this. This is a vertical way. That's it. This is a simple one. If you want to type vertical way, you can do this. Vertical area path tool. If you want to select vertically, like this one individually, you can just select this one like this vertically. Vertically type tool on a path tool. If you want to let's say I want to take this one. If you want to type vertically, you can just click here, cancel. So it will started to write on vertically. This is the thing, same as before, it just started on a vertically. That's it. Type task tool, let's see, if you want to select individually one, as you can see, I want to select only this N tool, so you can easily do this. So let me show you. Let's take the simple one, like Bangladesh. So I want to select only A, so just click task tool, then A. You can change the A, you can increase the size of A. Okay, you can just modify like individually. This is called task tool, as you can see, Bangladesh. Now, as you can see, this is a called task tool. Sometime you need to select individually word. You need to change the word size, you need to change the word position. Okay, let's say I want to change this one, I want to change the word position like this. So in that case, you need to work on touch type tool. This is the things. Do you understand, guys? Hello, do you understand, everyone? Okay, so I think that's it for today, because this is Ramadan. I just make my lesson short because of Ramadan. We have lots of things like prayer, Quran Telawat, and lots of things. So in that case, I just make it short. Okay, any question, guys, about today's lesson? Do you have any question, guys? Anyone? Guys, any questions? Are you facing like Adobe Illustrator installing issue? Anything issue are you facing? Okay, thanks. Okay, let me told you about the homework. The homework is you just need to use Adobe, sorry, you just need to use rectangle and the tools, and you just make a scenery, something like this, that I already create a scenery. There is a car, there is a tree, there is a road, and there is a text. I just use only these tools. You also need to use only these tools to make a scenery. This is the homework. Any kind of scenery you have to make. Do you understand, guys? You can make sky scenery, you can make road, you can make buildings, anything, just you by the use of rectangle tools, rectangle, text tools, and the pen tools. Okay. Okay, the main difference is Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics and Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics. This is the main difference, as I already show you. As you can see, on the left side, this is like quite blur. On the right side, this is quite clean. This is because of this is a vector graphics and this is a raster graphics. And why we use, whenever you want to print anything else, in that case you need to use Adobe Illustrator. Let's say I want to print my employee ID card. In that case, I need to use Adobe Illustrator. Let's say I want to print a flyer. I want to print an X banner. Let me show you some design. I think I have. Okay. John photo, not this one. Okay, Jaguar Homes. Marketing materials. As you can see, this is a pull-up banner or X banner I have designed on Adobe Illustrator because I want to print this one. So in that case, you need to work on Adobe Illustrator for the printing purpose. And why does Photoshop is limited in area work? Yeah, but yeah, in Photoshop, the latest version, there is not like limited area to work, but in the old version, you have some limited area to work. But the latest version is almost same, Photoshop and Illustrator. But whenever you want to do something for the printing purpose, you need to work on Adobe Illustrator. This is the main thing. You will get better output. And you must select CMYK as color profile. This is the important one. Let me show you. This is the most important one. If you go here, if you want to create a new artboard, you must select color mode as CMYK in Adobe Illustrator. Otherwise, you won't get the own color output. This is the thing. And of course, DPI 300 best. But make sure that you have select CMYK. This is the things. Okay, any question? Any other question, guys? Any question? Anything else, guys? We can quit the meeting. Okay, then please share the, yeah, I will upload the record as soon as possible. This week I'm quite free. Inshallah, I will upload by tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining this class. Allah Hafiz everyone. Ramjan Mubarak.